You've been convinced that you're bad at using foundation brushes, but you're not. The problem isn't your technique, and the problem isn't the brush. The problem is that no one ever taught you the right way to use it, and I'm here to change that. You see, we've all been told to put foundation on the brush first, then sweep it across our face. But that's exactly what creates those streaks and that cakey mess that makes you want to give up. Or you pump it on the back of your hand, dip the brush in, boom, you're blending forever. So here's what actually works. Put the foundation on your skin first, little dots across your face, and use half the amount that you normally use. Then use the brush. The brush isn't there to apply the foundation, the brush is there to blend it. Think about it. When you load up that brush with product, you're asking it to do two jobs at once: distribute and blend. But when you dot first and then blend, the brush can focus on what it does best, creating that smooth airbrush finish that you've been chasing. If you need more coverage, now just add the remaining amount using the same technique. You weren't doing it wrong because you're not good at makeup. You were doing it wrong because you were taught wrong. And now that you know the real technique, you can finally get that flawless base you've always wanted. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye. Subscribe, because somewhere a ring light goes out every time someone doesn't.